Yo, what's going on, folks? I go back with another video, and today, right back on the Led Zeppelin. No Quarter, live, 1973. My fault on the last video, the 10 years gone. I know that wasn't one of their most notable performances, and the mix was kind of iffy. But, we still love our Led Zeppelin, nonetheless. We're going to get right into it. No Quarter, 1973, come on. Not every performance is going to be the greatest of all time, but we still love Led. Let's get it. The song remains the same, so here we are. No Quarter. Complete. The song structure. That's how I gotta structure my songs.
This is called No Quarter.
No Quarter. That guitar just sounds mean.
Close the door, put out the light. You know they won't be home tonight. Oh, the snow falls hard, and don't you know? The winds of Thor are blowing cold. They wearing steel that's bright and true. To build a dream for me and you. They choose a path where no one. They won't they are.
at a cemetery. The Headless Horseman. Oh, they're in Wales. That's where I'm from.
walking side by side with death. The devil mocks their every step. The snow drives back the foot that's slow. The dogs of doom are howling moan. Carry news of musket through to build a dream for me and you. Oh, yes they do. They choose a path where no one. They hold my corner. They ask no quarter. Oh, what misery without quarter. Oh, the pain without quarter. John Paul Jones piano.
John Paul Jones piano. Yes, sir. Led Zeppelin, man, bringing it every single time. That solo by Jimmy Page. Oh man, I love Led Zeppelin, man. Bad performance, good performance. And I only say bad performance because I know the last video, the 10 Years Gone, they were apparently Robert Plant's son had passed away, so I know that's kind of rough, and they're on the dire end of their tour, so they're going through a lot, but hey, this performance was fire. And I gotta check out that movie. The Song Remains the Same. Is that what the movie's called? I know that's what the clips were from, because I remember that when we reacted to The Song Remains the Same and the Rain song, they had clips from their movie, so we gotta check out that movie. I gotta check out that movie. But brilliant performance, brilliant band, you already know. Led Zeppelin. This is not the last Led Zeppelin reaction. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video very, 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 very soon. And about